Memory is one of those topics that every Unity developer knows they should understand, but most tutorials either skip it entirely or go so deep into theory that you never actually learn how to use it in an actual project. This course is different. We start from the ground up. Build size, disk size, runtime memory, what these actually mean and why they're not the same thing. Then we talk about garbage collection, GC. Then we go into the profiler module and learn how to solve GC errors in an actual project with real examples. And then, of course, the memory profiler package, where we learn how to actually read it. We look at what to look for and how to use it in a commercial project, and also how to solve memory leaks, which is important. And then, this is exciting, we go live. All right. I'm taking a game that I made last year and I'm profiling it completely blind. That means there's no preparation, there's no scripting, and no stage results. In fact, the entirety of this course is based on the notes that I prepared. The whole purpose is so that you'll see the actual thinking process of identifying problems and chasing down problems, like how to actually solve them, what are the technical tips, making sense of what is actually happening, and how do we know what is happening. And all of those things are worth the watch because it's the part that no tutorial will ever show you. And we also cover staged memory leaks examples so that you understand the most common traps and how to build a memory budget for your game and how to calculate minimum spec requirements for your target platform. Now, this course is completely open, meaning there's no end to this. Because this is a playlist, I can add things however I want. Yeah, everything live is unscripted, and everything that is not live is just prepared with notes, because that's how real profiling works. You don't always know what you're looking for in the first place until you find it. And towards the end of this course or playlist, you'll know how memory actually works in Unity, how to find problems before they find you, and more importantly, how to make confident decisions about performance on actual projects. One more thing before we start. Some of this is going to be dry, especially the theory sections that's coming forward in the first few lectures. That's just the nature of this topic, okay? And I'm not going to pretend otherwise. This is a very dry topic because most of the documentation is complexly written and there's no starting point for an absolute beginner. So that's what I intend to provide with this course. I generally recommend having a pen and paper and note things down throughout all lectures that you think are important. I'll also try my best to write things down on screen as well. The editing of this course is also kept light intentionally. There's not going to be a lot of heavy editing. So settle in. This is going to be dry, but it's going to be worth it if you want to level up your memory game. Let's get into it.